So yeah, you can see the um this is the system here. This is the one that I was working on sometimes. So you can see the different tabs. This is the current signal, this is the particular amount that we are in, and this is the current trade. It just took. So this it shows the impact score, that is event risk. That is to show that okay, it's very risky for you to take trade in that particular time. So it just skips it if it's too risky. Then this is all the dating features are used to determine the technical aspects. So right now I'm just using only technical to trade. Now what I did is because I'm still on the testing stage here. I just unbuilt this and I'm testing it. So I was first looking at which feature works best and what combination, what settings work best. This one is 50-50, technical and news. So the I have a film bed AI that's connected to the news. I have a film bed AI that's connected to the news. Now this film bed AI that's connected to the news, I it gets new sentiment and just predicts the direction of the market per se from different sources. We have the EIA. It's basically just for gold. Yeah. So this use both technical and news 50-50 to determine okay, yes, should we undergo a trade or not. Here's meant to be the graph for both. This is the graph for only technical and the graph for only news. So from here we can just see how each one compares to each. Yeah. So then this is our grade. This is a system for like grading sources. So every information we get from a particular source is being graded. Yeah, so that we'll know which source is more reliable when taking trades. So the more it trades, the smarter it gets. So then this is different sources. This is Telegram, this is macro RS calendar, and this is combined of the two. This I meant to add Discord here, but like the account I was planning to add has like a protection, so I could not add it the to the system. I'm still looking for a reliable account that can get real good news that I can put here, because putting a lot of nonsense here will just confuse the system. Although I have like two other layers. I have a system. I have GPT 5.4 per se. 5.4 that's removing irrelevant information from the particular information needed to get the price of the direction of gold. So it's moving it before giving it to FinBet. Then FinBet will logically look at everything individually to decide okay where this market is actually going in the long term. So then these are the controls where you can control every single thing. You can this is smart EMA exit where it's let's say you take a trade now and it's going for like a particular direction, like you buy something and it's actually going up, then the EMA 50, EMA 20, EMA 200 are all going up in that particular direction. Then are all going up in that particular are all going up in that particular direction. Then it's there's now a reverse in the market and it's going the other way, or the EMA 20 is closing gap with the EMA 50, simply meaning that prices are going down. So it just comes up in the trade. This is what the smart EMA exit does. There is minimum confidence because like the system works on confidence, and like we need a particular amount of confidence to be able to enter trades. So what I just did here is I just put um a slider here that you can the confidence you want it to use, so that it can be able to take the higher the confidence, the more accurate the trade, the more the harder it takes trades. Okay, so that's why I just reduce the confidence to see how many trades it can take and how many it can um you can win. So then this minimum hold hours, that is minimum time to hold the trade. Although it can also be closed before that 6 hours, but I just put it at 6 hours just to see how I can change it to one, I can change it to three, I can change it to anything I want. So basically, that's just it. These are another settings where you can set the use of LLM, different types of LLM. I use Quen 2.52 as a backup for the GPT 5.4 because my credit is not much, so you can just so under the roof I have the MetaTrader running under it, and these are the three EMAs I told you about. My code is here. I have my code this thing over here, and every single the code is basically extracting information from this CSV file. It extracts information from this CSV file, this particular CSV file, and this CSV file gets populated occasionally as it's getting up populated. The MQL5 code that I'm using continuously checks this file. Once it checks the file and it sees that okay, this this file has a new action or signal here, then it takes the action. Now you can see here, no, 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 that's don't take any action. Then you can see buy from here, it buys to here. Buy, 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 buy. No, 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 buy, buy, buy. So like that, that's how it just keeps on taking trades. So thank you. Please